So I think the concept of a digital asset is fairly nebulous and new to a lot of people. Would you mind explaining to us what that means?
That's a good question. A lot of people think of digital assets and they automatically think of just Bitcoin alone, but it's a lot more than that. If you think of it, I think of probably three key aspects, right? It's a digital record that is secured using cryptography, which is just a secure way of sending and receiving messages. The second thing is that a big part of it is that these data records are stored using a blockchain, right? Which is a technology or a tool. A lot of people think of it as this big thing, but just think of it as a tool, a ledger, similar to your regular general ledger that your accountant may use, that stores these digital records. And then the last thing is that it can be used for a lot of purposes beyond just, buying and selling, or as a means of exchange or a means of storing your dollars, as a lot of people are using it today. It can be used for other things, such as tracking goods. Walmart's used it for tracking their lettuce. It's an epic use that they've used it for. Another case study is for tracking votes, and also for tracking identity purposes. Some of those are still in the infancy stages, but there's a lot of possibility with what a digital asset is beyond just what we typically think of like a Bitcoin or an Ethereum.